Welcome to Cooking with John,
Hot dogs.
the cooking show where I show you half the steps of how to cook something that looks really good.
Hello. Oil of the olives. Truffle salt.
Spaghetti! Powered by meats2u.com. Now today I'm going to be showing you a simple way of how to cook candied bacon using brown sugar, Kickin Cajun seasoning from meats2u.com, as well as their applewood smoked bacon. Now to start, place your bacon in a bowl and season heavily. I use a quarter of a cup of the Kickin Cajun seasoning and a half a cup of brown sugar per pound of bacon.
Get on in there.
Mix thoroughly. Now once you're done mixing, place your bacon on a cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it.
Parchment paper.
Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Line another baking sheet with tin foil and place over the top. Do this so the bacon doesn't curl while you're cooking.
That would suck.
Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check every 7 to 8 minutes just to make sure that the bacon isn't burning.
Kind of like this.
After it's done baking, cool for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy. And that, my friends, is candied bacon powered by meats2u.com from John.